You don't have to be real to influence the world. Welcome to my world.
Will you follow an influencer who doesn't even exist? Or will you buy something from her? One who doesn't eat, sleep, or even age, but has thousands of followers and works with brands and even makes money more than most normal people or most real people? Well, welcome to the world of visual influencers, digital personalities powered by AI, and they are completely transforming how we create content and money making wise online. In this video, I'll break down what they are, how they work, what brands are obsessed with them or maybe why, and how you can create your own even if you are just getting started. So without wasting time, let's go. As you are seeing one on my screen here, and she's beautiful, she's applying some serum, and by the way, she has a very amazing voice. I'm gonna play so that you guys can listen to her. Now, what is a visual influencer? A visual influencer is a computer generated personality, usually controlled by a real person, studio, or maybe increasingly by AI. These digital humans are designed to look flawless, relatable, and also aspirational. They have personalities, or maybe they have personalities and also post on social media and even do brand deals. Some are animated, some look hyper realistic, and some, like the one on your screen that you are seeing, were created using AI tools like Kling AI or maybe CapCut, Design AI, ChatGPT, and much more. But what makes them powerful isn't just the visual, it is the fact that they are programmable. You can control every post, every move, and every word they say. Now let's be real and come to real life. Example of popular visual influencers that are doing this and they are succeeding the game. Let's talk about them. First, we have the famous Lil Miguela, a Brazilian American digital model with millions of followers. She's worked with brands like Prada and Calvin Klein. Also, we have another one who is Shudu, known as the world's first black digital supermodel. We also have one which her name is Ima, a pink-haired Japanese avatar who's appeared in top magazines. These visual characters are booked for campaigns, red carpet, and brand events, all without leaving the screen. And now, everyday creators like you and me can build your own AI-powered avatars to create content that converts. Now, how do visual influencers work? So, how are they made? It is used to require, or maybe initially used to have expensive animation teams and 3D software. But now we have AI tools doing the heavy lifting. This is how, or maybe the breakdown of how you can create yours, or maybe how I created the one that you are seeing on the screen. When it comes to visual design, I use tools like Design AI and sometimes Midjourney to design beautiful avatars with Afrocentric features. When it comes to animation tool, I use tool and also lip sync. I use Design AI tools like Design AI tools like Kling AI and also CapCut to actually do what? Animate and also add in voice and also lip sync. When it comes to voices, I use all these tools, or maybe you can use these tools to clone your voice and also clone yourself if you want to use your own voice. And by the way, this is my real voice. It is not a clone, or maybe it is not AI. Now, when it comes to script and personality, you can use tools like ChatGPT. You can use the DeepSeek. You can use whichever you want. You can use Manus AI, whichever AI model that can actually help you in terms of writing script. You can use Jasper depending on your needs. Now, these make content 10 times much faster than before and more scalable. So, the question is, why are visual influencers so popular nowadays? Number one, or maybe let's talk about why are these avatars blowing up right now? It is because number one, they are always camera ready, as you are seeing the ones on the screen. Number two, the brands have full control over their image, and also they are cheaper than hiring normal influencers or maybe real influencers. And number three, they do not have PR scandals on social media, no cancels, no culture. Now, they do not also have, or maybe they can represent ideal versions of beauty, tech, motherhood in different niches, whatever niche you want. And most importantly, they grab attention. When people scroll past a flawless digital model or maybe AI character, they pause. They are curious. That's what drives engagement. Now, let's talk about the power of representation. On my screen, you are seeing a very beautiful black girl. She looks super real. She's applying a serum, and you can see her flawless skin. If I didn't mention that she's maybe an AI avatar, you could think that this is a normal girl, but this is not real. She is an AI powered that I created just with a few clicks. As a black creator, I also see the deeper potential in visual influences representation. Okay, with AI, you can create avatars that look like me. I'm black, and of course, I'm proud of it. That reflects my community, that breaks outdated beauty standards. For years, digital spaces didn't include maybe diverse faces. Now, with tools like ChatGPT, Design AI, Midjourney, DALL-E, name all of them, and many more AI generators, we can change that. We can build our media, our characters, our influence, and we don't need permission from any brand to do that. Okay? Now, let's talk about monetizing visual influencers. This is where I know that most people will love. These digital influencers aren't just pretty, they are profitable. And this is what I'm doing, or maybe you should start doing. You can sell digital products tied to your avatar. You can offer UGC style brand deals without showing your face, just the same you are seeing the one on the screen. You can launch a YouTube channel or maybe a podcast with avatar as the host. And by the way, you need to offer something like some valuable information about what you are creating so that people can actually do what, can stick around and buy or maybe see what you are talking about. You can sell stickers, prints, journals, or merch with your AI avatar. Like literally, you can sell any POD or maybe print on demand stuff. Now think about it. Your avatar can be a model, she can be a teacher, she can be a beauty expert, she can be a forex coach, all without hiring one. I even created digital products lined up to one of my avatars, and let me tell you guys, I already have seen some amazing results out of it. And yes, it is selling. Now, how to start your virtual or maybe your virtual influencer? It is very simple. You don't need to be a tech expert or to start this. What you need is to pick a niche. You can pick a niche in beauty, tech, moms, money, wellness, depending on what you love. And then design your avatars using these tools like, or maybe image creators like Design AI, Midjourney, whichever one you choose, or maybe Kling AI, depending on what you want. There are so many of them. And then you use CapCut or maybe Kling AI to animate her, or maybe Design AI to animate her. And you can use ChatGPT to write script, captions, and content. Start posting constantly using maybe shorts on YouTube, Reels, Pinterest, Post, Pins, or maybe TikTok. Now, let's be real. Visual influencers aren't the future. They are here now. And the good news is you can be part of it. If you want to see how I fully created this one step by step and how you can do it, subscribe for more tutorials and also for more AI tools and digital business tips. And remember, you don't have to show your face to build a brand anymore. Your avatar can be the face of your empire. Until next time, guys, I'll see you. Bye.